we are introducing today Nowsite Nav. The most advanced, most valuable tool that we can possibly build to help all of you be more successful. How does it work? Well, first of all, it gets to know you as a salesperson. What's your experience in sales? What's your desired activity level? How comfortable are you with rejection? What business are you selling for? What income goals do you have? It will learn all about your company's products, details of pricing, special offers, new products as they emerge. It will understand your sales system. What is your new customer acquisition system? How do you upgrade customers to becoming distributors? How do you get them engaged in the business opportunity? Right? What's your leading product? Who's your target customer? What are the key steps to new customer onboarding? And by the way, if you don't have a sales system, Nowsite Nav will create a sales system for you. So if your company doesn't provide you with one, if your team leader doesn't provide you with one, Nowsite Nav will actually create the system for you. Okay, so this is definitely something everyone can use, even if you don't have a sales system already. But if you do, it will understand it at a very, very deep level and follow that strategy. It will also analyze your contacts, their interests, their demographics, their personality, and will identify the best leads. It'll actually assign a score to your leads so that you know where to focus your energy. And it will create a step-by-step sales plan, customized for each one of your leads. Maybe it's going to suggest that you create more brand awareness with a social media post. So that social media AI agent will get to work and create a perfect social media post for you for that sales plan. Or maybe it suggests that we send this customized message out to your lead. Sometimes it's gonna suggest that you share maybe a YouTube video, maybe a third-party article to build trust and credibility, and it'll find that third-party content for you. And again, always recalculating the best possible next step as the situation evolves. So here, the system suggested that you comment on the lead social post. You did that. They responded and said they're interested in learning more. It recalculates, and it suggests that you offer them a sample. So always recalculating to find the best possible next step. Until, of course, you close the sale. So that, my friends, this is Nowsite Nav, the first sales navigation system for network marketers.